getting hard. Oh, he's still carrying me. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Snake Pass! We're back in it again, just to suffer some more. Let's get started. So we did this, we did this. Episode 4. Level 4. Let's do this. Did you know today was the day I was recording this is my channel's birthday? Well, it's probably the same day. So, yeah. Oh no, my tail's stuck. Carry me to victory. That's cool. Okay. Let's do this. Off and away! Okay, hopefully this isn't getting hard. Oh, he's still carrying me. Thank you! No, I'd do without you. Probably do better, actually. So. Yeah. Ooh. Should I try it? Nope. I'm not a daredevil. Is this a joke? This is easy. Okay, we already got one. With this, we're gonna be flying through this game. Okay. We got this bridge thing to do. Okay, I can do that. And then, ooh, there's something up there. I'm not gonna try to get that though, because it's that bug just went like, that bug just ascended, it just went up. I think I gotta get up here. Well, let's try to find out. Carry me up there. Come on, we got this. Oh. Well, you're such a pathetic, like, bird. You can't even carry a snake. Just kidding. This bird's awesome. Did they ever say what the bird's name was? Because I know they call. I know he's Noodle, but oh, what bird like it? Well, I know like it's Noodle, but like. What's the bird's name? What? Come on, Noodle, don't give up on me! Yes. This is why you don't give up. Never give up in life. Actually do. If there's a point. Just don't go on. Oh, yes, there it is. No. I fell down. But Noodle knows how to climb, so we're alright. Carry me! Fortnite all over again. Teammates supposed to carry you, but they don't. Okay. We got this. Yes! Don't worry, don't give up. We got this. You and me, Noodle. No! Noodle? No, we're not giving up yet. We gotta get up there. Noodle knows we're above something we're above death, pretty much. And one mess up could ruin it all. Like, really. Whoa, no! Yes! We didn't fall all the way down. But we did fall down somewhere, so I gotta go back up there. We get... No! Noodle! Dang it! Just look at that face. He knows exactly what he just did. He messed up. Okay, come on, we got this. Yes. Become the Snake Master. No, Noodle! You got this. Just hang in there. And he fell. One level today. That's all it gets done. Come on. Dang it. We fell. But Noodle knows how to climb back up when he falls down. No! Come on, we got this! Yes. Noodle climbs. No! Noodle's done with this mess. Noodle thinks he should just climb away. Oh, he knows those strategies. But the camera doesn't know how to angle itself, right? Like, thanks camera. Okay, I can do this. No, Noodle's giving up. We got this, guys. We're gonna get there. Bam. Noodles must celebrate with his victory. Don't celebrate too soon. That is a bad thing. But now we can celebrate because we just got it. Only took about like 5 years. Yeah, I heard a crow. Or no, a vulture. Although we just went over a void. I could have died and had to do that over again. Oh, I know if that would have happened, this video would have been really short. There's always that ringing, like, because something is near. I missed something. I don't have the red one? Well, that's not good. Okay, where's the red one? I see it, but I also like that. That coin's looking good. Okay, how am I gonna get that red one up there? Okay, we gotta go get that red one. I think we gotta get up here. Slithering like a snack. There it is. We got this. Just be a snake and get the gem. We did it. Now, okay, let's just go back before anything bad happens. Okay. Slither down. Hey, look, there's just a free gem right there. Well, maybe I'll take it. Ooh, we can go into a cave. Whoa, I got a coin. Hello, Noodle. Noodle climbs so he can reach this area. Yay! We did it! What's happening? I was just opening. Every beast that slithers, skitters, or crawls is in your debt. Take this as our thanks. What is that? I like his face, just like, okay. Oh, yeah, I can move. But what was it? Can I get carry better? Wow. Yay! Super! Time trial mode. Very good. So what was that? There's only 4 levels in this world. Who's Kevin? Okay. You know what I think we should try? Time trial. Let's just see how fast we can do. Spawn me in. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Come on, we gotta slither like a snake. This is really weird, and we gotta go faster. We're not going fast enough at all. Speed is our friend right now. Over this we go. Here, quickly, we gotta get that. Okay, come on, we're almost there. Wow, 1 minute 25, that's easy. Okay, there we go. We didn't even hit a minute. Boom! Best time. Thank you very much. Now let's try arcade mode. Wow, look at that. That's cool. Arcade mode. Ooh, coconuts. Very useful. Let's try to get them. Okay, we're here. 2, 1, go! Is this like a time trial mode? Or is this just normal? But, ooh, watermelon. I want the watermelon. We can collect all the fruits. Yeah, if anyone does know what the bird's name is, please tell me. I really want to know. And you know what I say? A coconut. Whoa, it spawned a bunch of fruit. Hey, look, there's a strawberry. No, don't do it. Oh, hello, friend. Hello, unnamed friend for some reason. Little birdie. You know what? Since the game doesn't have a name for it, unless they do, then tell me. But I'm just gonna call it since we're Noodle, and it carries me, I'm gonna call it Chopsticks. Chopsticks the bird. Unless there actually is a name for it, then I'll use the name for it. But I'm gonna call it for right now, Chopsticks. No. And the fruit disappeared. I guess let's continue on. I saw chopsticks on the car. Yay! Second score. Second score. I don't know how to do that one. Well, I think that's where I'll end it here again. But we got Noodle and Chopstick. Unless there's another name for that birdie, but I'm calling it Chopsticks right now. So, hope you all enjoy. This is me, Super Quack. Please like and subscribe, and quack out.